Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, as you know that we had discussed the topic that was miracles of nature. Okay, so this was the topic that we have done in our previous session. Today we will start with the revision of the next topic from our book, that is word ladder. Okay, given at page number 38. Okay, so all of you open your books at page number 38, that is word ladder. Okay, so I'm just writing the topic on the board as well, that is word ladder. Okay, that is word ladder, given at page number 38. Okay, so here as the heading that is given here is use the clues to change the top word in the ladder into a new word by changing only one alphabet at each time. Okay, so here as you can see, the first word is given here, that is milk, a healthy drink, that is milk. Okay, and we have to convert it up to the last word, that is belt, BELT, belt. तो हमें milk को belt में convert करना है by changing a single digit at every step. Okay, so that means milk is written MILK, milk. Okay, not digit alphabet. So MILK, milk is written, and we have to change that milk into belt by changing a single alphabet at each step. तो हमें हर एक स्टेप पे एक एक अल्फाबेट चेंज करते हुए we have to change this milk into belt. Okay, so here the first is given a healthy drink. The first is given, that is a healthy drink. So the healthy drink is the first, that is milk, MILK. Okay, so milk is a healthy drink, we all are aware of it. So milk is a healthy drink. Okay, second is, okay, so now we have to change the milk in another word where flour is made. Flour means FLOUR, flour. Flour means atta. Okay, so here the flour means atta. Okay, so where flour is made, फ्लोर कैसे बनता है, आटा कहाँ बनता है? देखिए आटा तो गेहूँ से बनता है, वी ऑल नो दैट, बट दैट गेहूँ जिसको हम आटे में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, तो हम वहाँ उसके लिए क्या कहते हैं, हम आटे की चक्की पे जाते हैं एंड आटा पिसवाते हैं. ओके, सो दैट आटे की चक्की, दैट इज नोन एज मिल. ओके, दैट वी कॉल इट एज फ्लोर मिल. हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फ्लोर मिल. ओके, सो वेयर फ्लोर इज मेड, दैट इज नोन एज flour mill. That is known as flour mill. Okay, so where flour is made, so we have to change only one word. Here it is milk, MILK, milk. We have to change that milk into mill. So we can change K into L. Okay, MILL. देखिए हमने नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे K को चेंज करके we had put the new alphabet here, that is L, and it became the answer, that is mill, MILL, mill. Clear? Third one, the third is the determination to do something. Okay, if someone is having a determination, किसी भी काम को करने के लिए आपके अंदर determination है, that you want to do that work. Okay, if you want to do a work, that is the determination, that you are willing. Okay, you are just giving your best to do that work. So that means you are having the determination in yourself. So here, see, the determination means you are willing. So that means that's your will. That is your will. So now we will change into mill into will. Will को will में change करने के लिए we will change this M. So that is will. WILL. That is will. Now we have changed M into W. That is will. Clear? Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is a boundary. So what is a boundary? Boundary means हम जिसको हम बोलते हैं दीवार या मतलब जस्ट बाउंड्री ऑफ एनीथिंग. ओके, सो बाउंड्री क्या होती है? बाउंड्री वॉल हो गई, ठीक है. हम किसी भी चीज़ को एक बाउंड्री दे देते हैं, एक एरिया, पर्टिकुलर एरिया दे देते हैं. तो फॉर दैट वी क्रिएट अ बाउंड्री. सो व्हाट दैट बाउंड्री? बाउंड्री किसको बोलते हैं? वॉल. आपके घर के आसपास आपने बाउंड्री बनाई है, सो दैट यू हैड मेड विद अ वॉल. आपने एक दीवार खड़ी करके अपने घर की एक बाउंड्री बनवाई है, तो दैट इज वॉल. सो विल चेंज इनटू वॉल. सो वॉल में विल को चेंज करने के लिए W will be same, I will change into L, and both L they will, sorry, I will change to A. That became wall. It became wall. WALL, wall. The fifth, to go on foot. To go on foot, पैदल चलने को हम क्या बोलते हैं? कभी तो go on foot we call it walk. We call it walk. WALK. That we call it walk. WALK, walk. So go on foot is walk. So wall will change into walk. Wall will change into walk. WAL, and this L will change to K. Wall will change into walk. Walk, chalna. Sixth one. The sixth is to communicate by speaking. To communicate by speaking. So when I'm speaking something, so I'm talking या talk. Okay, so but हमें यहाँ पे एक ही वर्ड चेंज करना है. तो communicate, किसी भी चीज़ को बोल के बताना, that is talk. That is talk. TALK, talk. So we call it as talk. So W will be changed into T, and rest of the three alphabets that will be same. That is talk. TALK, talk. TALK, talk. The seventh one is not short. जो चीज़ छोटी नहीं है तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? छोटी नहीं है तो दैट मीन्स इट विल बी लेंथ, मतलब वो लंबी होगी, टॉल होगी. सो इफ एनीथिंग इज नॉट शॉर्ट, सो डेफिनेटली दैट विल बी टॉल. ओके, सो हियर इट इज नॉट शॉर्ट. जो चीज़ छोटी नहीं है दैट इज टॉल. सो टॉक विल चेंज इनटू टॉल. नॉट शॉर्ट मीन्स टॉल. TALL, दैट इज टॉल. TALL and K, that is tall. Again K will change into L, that is tall. That is tall. Clear? Moving next to the eighth one. Okay, so now we have to change this tall into some other word by taking the clue from here only. The eighth is to go down quickly. कोई भी चीज़ जल्दी से नीचे जाना. Suppose I am having this chalk, so I have just left it. तो मैंने इसको बस छोड़ा तो वो क्या हुआ? गिर गया. तो go down, तो जैसे वो मैंने इसको छोड़ा वो नीचे गिर गया. So that fall. That is fall. To go down quickly, that is fall. FALL. That is fall. To go down quickly is fall. FALL, fall. Ninth one. The ninth is not succeed. किसी भी काम को करने में कामयाब नहीं ना होना. That is not succeed. Not succeed. So that means you are not, you got, मतलब कोई चीज़ करने को कामयाब नहीं होगा तो that means that person has failed to do that work. So that means if someone has not succeeded, so that means that person has got failed. वो क्या हो गया? Fail हो गया. So not succeed, that means fail. Not succeeded to do anything, that means that person got fail. So fall will change into fail. FAIL. So देखिए हमने tall में T चेंज करके F लिखा था. fail में this L is changed into I, that is fail. Not succeeded, that means that person got fail. The tenth is a silvery sheet to cover and keep food fresh. Okay, So you all, when you were coming in the school, or you whenever you go somewhere, so you when you pack your food, or especially your breads or your chapati, when you just pack it up, so you हम उसको किस में रैप करते हैं? वी जस्ट रैप आर chapatis and bread in a silver foil. Okay, so that silvery seal, okay, what is that? जो सिल्वर कलर की वो शीट होती है, we call it as foil or silver foil. Okay, so here they have said a silvery sheet to cover and keep food fresh, that is foil. That is foil. Foil, F-O-I-L, F-O-I-L. That is, we have changed the A here. So after changing A, we have written O. That is foil. That is foil. Okay, a silvery sheet that is used for keeping your food fresh. 11th, to work hard. To work hard means किसी को किसी भी काम को बहुत ही मेहनत से करना, दैट इज नोन एज टॉयल. सो टू वर्क हार्ड, किसी भी चार्ज हम हार्ड वर्किंग बोलते हैं. सो यू कैन टर्म इट एज टॉयल, सो TOIL, टॉयल. सो टू वर्क हार्ड, टू गेट अचीव समथिंग, यू जस्ट वर्कड हार्ड. ओके, आपने बहुत मेहनत की, सो दैट मीन्स यू वर्कड हार्ड टू डू दैट वर्क. सो यू foil. So that is known as foil. Toil. TOIL. That is toil. So F is changed into T and we got the word that is toil. TOIL, toil. Clear? Moving next to the 12th one. 12th is the money paid when crossing a bridge or a highway. ओके, सो whenever you cross a bridge, जब भी आप एक कोई ब्रिज या कोई हाईवे क्रॉस करते हो, सो यू जस्ट गिव सम मनी. ओके, सो व्हाट इज दैट मनी? तो उस मनी को, उस पैसे को हम क्या बोलेंगे? हम क्या कहते हैं? वी जस्ट पे द टोल. ओके, तो जब व्हेन वी एंटर फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू द अदर स्टेट और सम इन स्टेट, ओके, so state toll tax, we call it as toll tax. So where you pay the toll tax? toll tax हम कहाँ पे करते हैं? We generally pay toll at toll tax. Okay, toll tax हम कहाँ पे? तो toll पे. Okay, so that is toll. Okay, so whenever you enter a new state or whenever you enter a highway or a bridge, you always pay some tax, that is toll tax. Okay, so the money paid when crossing a bridge or a highway, that is toll. TOLL, that is toll. TOLL, toll. TOLL, toll. That is toll. 13th. The 13th is to let someone know. To let someone know, किसी को कोई चीज़ बताना. ओके, तो किसी को कोई चीज़ बताना, so that means you are telling them. ओके, आप उसको वो चीज़ बता रहे हो, so you are telling. So let someone know, that is you tell. That is you tell, you're telling something. So here we will change, I think you can, that means you just tell, TELL, that is that you tell. So O change into E, that is you are just telling something to someone. तो किसी को कुछ बता रहे हो, tell. 14th. The 14th is that which chimes usually found in church or a temple. ओके, ऐसी चीज़ की हम यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो जो कि जनरली आपको किसी भी टेम्पल में, मंदिर में या चर्च में मिलेगी, एंड इट प्रोड्यूसेस सम साउंड्स, दैट इज द साउंड ऑफ चाइम्स. सो द साउंड ऑफ चाइम्स, वी कॉल इट एज साउंड ऑफ चाइम्स. सो व्हाट इज इट? दैट विच चाइम्स यूजुअली फाउंड इन अ चर्च और अ टेम्पल, दैट इज बेल. वी कॉल इट एज बेल. BELL. So bell produces the sound of chime, so we use it as bell. T changes into B, that is bell. T changes into B, that is bell. BELL. Next, the 15th, a piece of leather or fabric that you wear around your waist. Okay, so this is a piece of leather I'm talking about that we generally wear when we wear the trousers. So trousers के ऊपर mostly we use this accessory. Okay, so to tighten our trousers on our waist, that is belt. तो हम बेल्ट पहनते हैं ताकि हम जो जो ट्राउजर्स हैं उनको अगर ढीले हैं तो उसको टाइट कर सकें. So that is belt. B-E-L, now here changed into T, that is belt. B-E-L-T, belt. So now we have changed the word milk into belt. Okay, so after at every step we have changed only a single alphabet, but though we reach the word from milk to belt. Okay, milk, mill, will, wall, walk, talk, tall, fall, fail, foil, toil, toll, tell, bell, and the last is bet. Okay, so this is a word game that we have done. Okay, so this is the word game. Okay, so you can just pause it here and just note down it in your notebook. Okay, in your books. Chali, moving next to the page number 39, that is the golden voices of a bygone era. Okay, so this is the next topic that we will start after this, even at page number 39. This is the very next page. Okay, so moving next to the next page, given at page number 39, that is golden voices of a bygone era. That is golden voices of a bygone era. Golden voices of a bygone era, given at page number 39. Golden voices of bygone era. So the first thing is that what is the meaning of the topic, that is the golden voices of a bygone era. Okay, you know. Okay, so you can even know about it all. Okay, so in this topic we will discuss about the various legendary singers, okay, of the era. Okay, of the bygone era means जो पहले के ज़माने में जो बहुत ही legendary singers थे. Okay, those who have got so much name, so much fame, popularity all around the world with their voices. उन्होंने अपनी आवाज़, अपने गले की, मतलब आवाज़ means उनकी सुर. Okay, so their voice was so melodious. Okay, so they were just known as the golden voices of the India. Okay, so in this we will talk about the certain legendary singers of our country, singers and the music composers of our country, those who had made the great contribution in the music industry, in the music. Okay, so their voices, they are still known as the golden voices of the bygone era. मतलब बीते हुए ज़माने की एक शानदार आवाज़ें. Okay, so they, the melodious songs, the melodious rhythms, the melodious music composed by them. Okay, so then this we will talk about the certain musicians, music composer and the singers. Okay, so those who had made a great contribution. Okay, so this all have been passed. Okay, so the bygone era means the ये एक सदी थी जो बीत चुकी है, but उस समय के जो महान गायक थे. Okay, so we are talking about them. So here the heading is given, identify and name these legendary singers. You may choose your answers from the help box. So these are the legendary singers of our country. So आपने इनके बहुतों के गाने भी बहुत सुने होंगे, शायद नाम ना सुना हो या नाम भी सुना होगा, but you never have seen them. Okay, so starting with the first one, the first picture you can see in your book. Okay, so here the first picture is given in your book. This is the picture of the melodious singer, that is M.S. Subbulakshmi. She is M.S. Subbulakshmi. She is also one of the melodious singer of our country, and her name is MS Subbu Lakshmi. Okay, so the first picture is of MS, that is MS Subbu Lakshmi. SUBBU Subbu Lakshmi. LAKSHMI. That is MS Subbu Lakshmi. Clear? Moving next to the second one. The second is Bhimsen Joshi. So now we are talking about Bhimsen Joshi. The second picture you can see here. This is the picture of Bhimsen Joshi. Okay, and he is also one of the classical singer of our. Okay, so most of them pictures, बेटा जिनकी pictures यहाँ दी हुई हैं, so most of them are the classical singers and the ghazal singers are also there. Okay, they have made the contribution in the Bollywood songs as well of the 80s and 70s. Okay, so the second picture is of Bhimsen Joshi. So this is the picture of Bhimsen Joshi. He is Bhimsen Joshi. Bhimsen Joshi. Third, moving next to the third picture. So the third picture, this is the picture of one of the classical singer of our country, that is Pandit Jasraj. He is Pandit Jasraj. Okay, so third picture is of Pandit Jasraj. क्लासिकल सिंगर्स होते हैं बेटा, जिनके नाम क्या है मोस्टली पंडित सर, पंडित बिरजू महाराज जो डांसर हैं, तो ऐसे जो दे यूज दिस वर्ड पंडित. Okay, so they are just Pandit word is used because they are so perfect in their work, in their profession. Okay, so that is Pandit. This is, we're talking about Pandit Jasraj. That is Pandit Jasraj. Clear? Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth picture is of also one of the classical singer of our country. He is Bala Murali Krishna. Okay, he is Bala Murali Krishna. Okay, so he is Bala Murali Krishna. Okay, so देखा आपको questions कैसे आएंगे इससे related. So the questions will be like the picture of that particular great singer, the particular personality will be given and certain options will be given, and you have to find out which is the correct name. Okay, or with which that particular person is associated, with which field that particular person is associated. So the fourth picture is of another legendary singer of our country. He is Bala Murali Krishna. He is Bala Murali Krishna. That is Bala Murali Krishna. That is Bala Murali Krishna. Moving next to the fifth. The fifth is, okay, so the fifth picture is of another classical singer of our country and the musician as well. So he is Vasant Rao Deshpande. The fourth singer whose picture is given over here, he is Vasant Rao Deshpande. He is Vasant Rao Deshpande. The fifth is of Vasant Rao. He is Vasant Rao Deshpande. Deshpande. Vasantrao Deshpande. Clear? चलिए, moving next to the sixth one. The sixth picture is of Manna Dey. He is a very famous Bollywood singer as well. He has made lots of various popular songs, okay, as well. Okay, so he is a singer of, and he is Manna Dey. Okay, you can ask your father and mother; they must be knowing him, or they must be knowing, loving his songs as well. The sixth picture is of Manna Dey. M-A-double-N-A, Manna Dey, D-E-Y. He is Manna Dey. Manna Dey. Clear? So these are the answers for the first 6 pictures that is given in the book. The first is M.S. Subbulakshmi. Second is Bhimsen Joshi. Third is Pandit Jasraj. The fourth is M. Bala Murali Krishna. The fifth is the Vasantrao Deshpande, and the sixth is Manna Dey. Okay, chaliye, now we will write the next, that is the 7th. So the 7th picture, you can just see and look at the picture. Okay, so the 7th picture, okay, is a very well known face. He is Jagjit Singh. He was a popular ghazal singer. Okay, आपने बहुत ghazals, if you are a ghazal lover, so you must have heard it. So he was a very popular ghazal singer, and his name is Jagjit Singh. He is Jagjit Singh. Next is of Jagjit Singh. Just a second. He is Jagjit Singh. He is Jagjit Singh. Moving next to the 8th one. So 8th picture is of another great singer of our country. He is Bhupen Hazarika. This picture is of Bhupen Hazarika. Okay, so the 8th picture is of Bhupen Hazarika. Write it down. That is Bhupen Hazarika. Yes, Bhupen Hazarika. Okay. Moving to the last picture that is given in the book. Very well known singer, and various songs you must have been listening these days as well. इनकी जो नाम है, okay, so he is नुसरत फ़तेह अली खान. इनके बेटा बहुत सारे जो सॉन्ग्स हैं आजकल बॉलीवुड में यूज़ होते हैं. Okay, and वो थोड़ा remix करके the various numerous numbers included in the, and he is a Pakistani singer actually. Okay, but before that, before the partition, you know, Pakistan was a single country. Okay, so he is Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. He is Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. That is picture of the Nusrat. So the last picture is of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. He is Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. Okay, he is also one of the very popular singer of the gone era. Okay, so these are the answers from 7 to 9. The 7th is Jagjit Singh, 8th is Bhupen Hazarika, and the 9th is Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. Okay, so in this topic we have discussed about the various classical singers and you can say classical singers or the legendary singers of our country. Okay, so those who had made a great contribution in the field of music, okay, with their golden voices. So that's why they are known as the goldies. All these great personalities, great singers, They are known as the golden voices of bygone era. Okay class, so this was our today's session. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a good day.